What do you think a prospect needs to see from you before they choose to work with you? Trust. Definitely trust. And proof and evidence and all this stuff too. It's a combination of all these different things, right? And a lot of the answers that I got here were pretty much what you guys just said, if I'm honest. Proof, thought process, education, the ability to influence something and alter the stuff as well. Alignment, I'm assuming Colin meant like alignment in offer or something, I'm not 100% sure. You understand their problems, you can help solve their problems, they like and trust you. Trustworthiness, authority, affordability, that you understand their problem and can articulate better than them. Trust, bunch of metal and beef, according to Shake. I agree, bunch of metal and beef. I wholeheartedly agree. Results, solution to problem, that you aren't a fucking idiot. Okay, it's probably fairly true too though. My question is like, how do you determine that? What's your criteria for believing someone's not a fucking idiot? It's a good question to ask. Case studies, testimonials, content that you provide, if that makes sense, right? When we think about this, these people aren't actually telling you. They aren't saying like what they know prospects have wanted to choose to buy from them before. What are they actually saying when they say this? Yeah, they're all saying how they purchase, if that makes sense, right? Every person there is communicating, they're regurgitating their own beliefs onto that post, if that makes sense. And some of them are exposing themselves when they say things like that you aren't a fucking idiot. They're exposing themselves, if that makes sense. What?
If that was like kind of an underlying like angle to see.
I wanted to know what people actually like, what because this tells me what they want to purchase, right? It literally is. That was the whole purpose of putting this post up. Because I'm like, okay, cool. If I put this up, like people are going to spew their beliefs onto me and tell me exactly what they need to see in order for me to buy, or in order for them to buy from me. Damn it! Oh no! Right? So what do you think the content strategy is then? And what do you think we need to do for the content strategy? Right? So a lot of it has to be proof, right? And it has to be proof that we can solve things for people and have results for people that are a high level if we want high level people, right? If we want high level clients need to be able to see that we actually have the ability to solve a problem that they would want solved as well. How do you do that? Proof, results, and just peppering the world with that stuff at the same time as well, right? And the best way to do that, or best ways to do that, are like make sure that a lot of your cadence of the way that you market is based around those things, right? So like if we break it down into the core categories of things that I just saw earlier, it's like proof and evidence, trust, values, offer alignment at the same time too.